It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from China. This is Baijia Kuan Big Boss Instant Vermicelli, and this is their hot and sour flavor. This is the third variety of the trifecta I found over at 99 Ranch Market the other day. So without further ado, let's get the show on the road and start dumping the huge amount of sachets into this thing. So let's do it. Let's do the do. Let's do what we gotta do here. So here comes our powdery don't smell it part, I'm pretty sure. The powdery craziness. Pretty sure it's just straight MSG. What else do we have here? These are the little tofu thingies. They hydrate pretty well. And then we got this one. It's got a little happy tomato, it looks like, or a carrot with the piece of garlic that looks like somebody's schnoz on it. That's kind of neat. Maybe there's schnoz berries in there. I don't know. There goes that. And then we got this one. It never ever ends with these things. There's a lot of sachets in these flower pot style noodles, but we will be there and ready in a moment. So there's more and more and more and more. Now it's goo time, so here's some goo. And then we got this one. Part of the new selection of music that I did up the other day. I downloaded the other day from Epidemic Sound. Got some weird new stuff, good new stuff. I'm digging it. I hope you are as well. And then one more goo. I'm guessing this will be the black vinegar. Oh yeah. Black vinegar is very pungent, very sour. But you know, it's not bad. And then of course we have our fork. And then we have noodle. So I want to make you clearly aware, that this will be episode 1498 of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. My show that I show you what to do, with your instant noodles. Helicopter. Lidding it up. That's gonna go for it's funny. So this one actually has instructions on it for how long to steep it, whereas all the other varieties of this brand did not. But this one did. Thought that was kind of funny. But I was right. I've been doing it for 5 minutes. It says 5 to 6 minutes. 5 minutes seems to work fine. But yeah, so this is episode 1498 of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the award-winning, wonderful show that you can't get enough of, hopefully. And you don't need to, because it's just going to keep on rolling. But not tomorrow, but the next day, September 20th, 2022, the 1500th episode is going to come out. I've got something special planned. It'll come out at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So keep your dilly, just pay attention. So that'll come out, and I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do a premiere, so you'll be able to check it out. But it's gonna be something neat. I think you're gonna enjoy it, and I'm hoping I'll enjoy this in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. But yeah. Been an interesting day so far. Got up and realized, hey, I don't have any spring onions and I don't have any basil, and I need both of them. I need spring onions to live. I can't do anything without the spring onions. So that's what I needed. The next one will be an interesting one. I'm still scavenging for varieties to do. I've got 3 more varieties that I can get ready tonight to do for tomorrow here in May. Tomorrow will be May 20th. So June, July, August, September. I'm 4 months ahead. I'm about 140 reviews ahead of what I'm posting. So yeah, there's going to be a lot to watch coming out. I'm guessing by the time you see this, it'll be next year, for as far ahead as I'll be, if I keep being able at least to review 3 varieties a day. I guess I could start now just reviewing 1 a day. I like to review 3 a day though, but it's a supply thing, it's a supply chain for me. You know, it's kind of difficult because I've reviewed so many varieties. I am going to have to put up a post asking if people have stuff that I haven't reviewed to send. But the problem with that is being I've got like 140 to 150 varieties I've already reviewed, and there's no record of it because they haven't been posted yet. So that's difficult. It's a bad spot. But we'll get there. But I think, yeah, we're looking at, I'm almost to review 4,300. 700 to go to get to the big 5K. If I kept doing it like I've been doing it, it'd be like just over 6 months away. That's crazy. But I don't think that's possible. I really like doing 3 reviews a day, but yeah, I just need more variety. So, but I've been finding some locally that are kind of interesting and different. So you can stay tuned for that. Tomorrow I'll be doing a domestic brand that's made in Thailand. That should be weird. And number 500 is going to be a special recipe using the number 2 on my top 10 list. The what do you call it? Mom's Dry Noodle Wad Yao Scallop Chicken Noodle Soup, which is badass on its own. But I'm going to throw a couple things into it to do it a little different, just an experiment. And it'll be a recipe, so you'll enjoy that. You will. And it's time to enjoy this being done. So let's check this out. Look at that. Whoa. Und now we start the noodle. This is, what do you call it? Sweet potato vermicelli. And it's piping hot. Finland, Finland, Finland. It's the country where I most want to be. Actually, this is a Greek-themed cut from Epidemic Sound. I tried to vary the selection of audio for this. So also, this is known as a glass noodle, I believe. I think the mung bean thread is also considered that, but it's kind of lugubrious and gluteny, or lugubrious and gel noodle. So this one has a ton of Szechuan pepper in it, which is logical because it's, look at that. Can you see that? Look at all that oil. Oh my God. But it's hot and sour. It's from China. Look at that. Oily. Super oily. And these are those little, these are made of bean curd, tofu. This is a pretty good one of these. I'm very strong on Szechuan pepper, like killing me. You just can't do that much Szechuan pepper. It's just too much. It's too much. I don't like to go there. So I want to get it nice and centered-y. Good enough for me. That way? Eee! How about that? I like that. I'm going with that. Alright. It's a lot of liquid. Eee! Zowie, zow, zow. Okay. See, the problem with these ones that are so heavy on Szechuan pepper, there's just so much oil, so much Szechuan pepper. I love reviewing. I'm gonna tell you right now, I would never get this to like just eat. Not in a million years. I can't do it. A little Szechuan pepper. Like, say a dry noodle with some Szechuan pepper, I'm totally down with that. But, yeah, that is too much. And it's very flavorful already, but I'm gonna add some Laogan Ma. Not that it needs it. Oh my jeebus. Alright. That's what I'm doing to that. Let's let Rotato work its beautiful rotating magic. Now it's going both ways. It's going to drive you crazy. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is this. Episode 1499. A Taste of Thai Peanut Noodle. And I was all excited because it says it's gluten-free, but my wife is not a big fan of peanutty things, so that kind of won't work out so well with her. But anyways, see you next time.